yeah, each line has an ordering of these n integers. And they want you to find how many pairs
Are consistent.
are consistent, which means they always appear in the same order, as in like one before the other. So since, again, these numbers are so small, you can just do all possible pairs of numbers. You compare every possible number from 1 to n, or every pair, and then you go through each list and check if the first number comes before the second one. And then, in this case, 4 comes before 1, 4 comes before 1, 4 comes before 1, so you increment your counter by 1. And then, whatever, 1, 2, 2, 1, all those possible pairs, you just try all of them, look through all of these, if it's consistent, and if so, you should increment it. So here, I have k, and I input everything into an array, and then now, here I do a double loop, so I iterate through all possible values of I and j from 1 to n, and if they're equal, obviously they're never going to be in different locations. I just continue. Otherwise, this is a Boolean. I like using integers. I don't know why. So initially I assume that I is greater than j, right? So now I loop through all the possible lists, and if I ever comes before j, then I set this equal to false, right? I set it equal to 0. And then after I check all possible lists, right, like all the different rows, if I is still always greater than j, which means I always comes after j, I increment my counter because it works. And then this just goes through all possible pairs, and you don't have to care about duplicates because in this case, when I is 1 and j is 2, let's say, you're only checking if I is 1 comes after 2. And then when you have I equals 2, j equals 1, you're checking if 2 comes after 1. So yeah, they're different cases, and it considers all of them. I think the part that makes my code the shortest is this line here, where you just find the index of a number in an array using this function. So you don't have to loop through and find the index one by one. You could also loop through one by one. It's just a bit longer, but same answer. This is a nice trick to know, though. You can just use index of. And you can use it for like array lists. I'm sure there's some similar functions for like sets as well.
So what happens if there's like 2 of them? Does it just return the first one it finds, or?
Yeah, it returns the first one, yeah. And you can also make it start after a certain point, if you want. Yeah, it returns the first one, I believe. Yeah. But in this case, it's all different, so we don't need to worry about that. Yeah. Yeah.